putting on a duvet cover, but failed. Let me show you how I do it way easier. Step 1. Lay your duvet cover inside out on a flat surface. Make sure the opening is at the foot of the bed. Next, place your duvet on top of the cover. Line up all four corners as neatly as possible. Now tie the ribbons or loops inside the cover to the duvet corners. This little step keeps everything locked in place, no slipping later. Here's the fun part. Start rolling the duvet and cover together from the top, like a burrito. Keep it tight and even as you go. Once you reach the bottom, find the duvet cover's opening. Now flip it over the entire roll, like turning a sock inside out. Almost there. Gently unroll everything back toward the top. Give it a little shake and straighten the edges. Look at that, perfectly inserted. Smooth it out, fluff it up, and you're done. Now lay it out flat on your bed. Make sure it's nicely spread out and centered. Don't forget to close the buttons or zip up the bottom of the duvet cover to lock it all in. And you are done. Save this video. You'll never wrestle with your duvet again.